Welcome to Quiz Hub. Get ready to test your brain and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. What do you call the shape of a football? A. Cube. B. Sphere. C. Cone. Correct answer. Sphere. A football is round like a sphere. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? A. Camel. B. Donkey. C. Goat. Correct answer. Camel. Camels travel easily in deserts. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Everest. B. Mount Tabu. C. Mount Fuji. Correct answer. Mount Everest. Everest is Earth's highest peak. What helps you taste food? A. Hair. B. Legs. C. Tongue. Correct answer. Tongue. The tongue has taste buds. What is the young one of a butterfly called? A. Caterpillar. B. Puppy. C. Fawn. Correct answer. Caterpillar. Butterflies start as caterpillars. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Mercury. Correct answer. Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Which tool helps measure temperature? A. Microscope. B. Thermometer. C. Ruler. Correct answer. Thermometer. Thermometers show hotness or coldness. Which shape looks like an egg? A. Oval. B. Square. C. Triangle. Correct answer. Oval. An oval is egg-shaped. Which bird can rotate its head almost fully around? A. Duck. B. Sparrow. C. Owl. Correct answer. Owl. Owls have very flexible necks. What do we call frozen rain? A. Sand. B. Hailstones. C. Fog. Correct answer. Hailstones. Frozen raindrops form hailstones. What is the baby of a horse called? A. Foal. B. Lamb. C. Calf. Correct answer. Foal. A baby horse is known as a foal. Which sense organ helps you see? A. Ears. B. Eyes. C. Skin. Correct answer. Eyes. Eyes let us see the world. What is the main gas plants release during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Smoke. Correct answer. Oxygen. Plants release oxygen when making food. Which festival celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ? A. Thanksgiving. B. Oktoberfest. C. Christmas. Correct answer. Christmas. Christmas marks Jesus' birth. What is the color of a ripe banana? A. Blue. B. Yellow. C. Purple. Correct answer, yellow. Bananas turn yellow when they ripe. Which animal can change its color? A. Chameleon. B. Tiger. C. Cow. Correct answer, chameleon. Chameleons change color to blend in. How many months have 31 days? A. 7 months. B. 3 months. C. 12 months. Correct answer, 7 months. 7 months in a year have 31 days. Which machine helps you talk to someone far away? A. Tape recorder. B. Mixer. C. Telephone. Correct answer, telephone. Telephones let people communicate at a distance. Which is the biggest continent? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. Correct answer, Asia. Asia is the largest continent. What do you call a doctor for animals? A. Veterinarian. B. Artist. C. Chef. Correct answer, veterinarian. Vets treat sick animals. Which landform is surrounded by water on all sides? A. Peninsula. B. Island. C. Plateau. Correct answer, island. An island is covered by water all around. Which object gives us light during the night sky? A. Pillow. B. Stone. C. Moon. Correct answer, moon. The moon reflects sunlight and glows at night. What do we call the boundary of a circle? A. Circumference. B. Diagonal. C. Volume. Correct answer, circumference. A circle's outer edge is its circumference. Which organ helps you breathe? A. Bone. B. Liver. C. Lungs. Correct answer, lungs. Lungs help take in oxygen. Which liquid do babies drink from their mothers? A. Milk. B. Juice. C. Tea. Correct answer, milk. Babies drink milk for nutrition. Where do fish live? A. Forest. B. Air. C. Water. Correct answer, water. Fish live and breathe in water. Which animal is known for its black mask around the eyes? A. Raccoon. B. Elephant. C. Giraffe. Correct answer, raccoon. Raccoons have a dark mask pattern on their face. Which is the biggest internal organ of the human body? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Stomach. Correct answer, liver. The liver is the largest internal organ. Which animal is the king of the jungle? A. Lion. B. Deer. C. Rabbit. Correct answer, lion. Lions are popularly called the king of the jungle. What do you call moving air? A. Clay. B. Wind. C. Rope. Correct answer, wind. Wind is air in motion. Which fruit has seeds on its outer skin? A. Apple. B. Strawberry. C. Mango. Correct answer, strawberry. Strawberries keep seeds on the outside. How many hours are there in a day? A. 12. B. 18. C. 24. Correct answer, 24. A full day and night cycle has 24 hours. Which profession helps fight fire? A. Teacher. B. Firefighter. C. Baker. Correct answer, firefighter. They put out fires and save lives. What is H2O commonly called? A. Water. B. Air. C. Milk. Correct answer, water. H2O is the chemical formula for water. What do you call solid water? A. Gas. B. Ice. C. Steam. Correct answer, ice. Water becomes ice when it freezes. What do you call a baby cat? A. Chick. B. Cub. C. Kitten. Correct answer, kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Which planet is known for its great red spot? A. Jupiter. B. Neptune. C. Venus. Correct answer, Jupiter. Jupiter has a huge storm called the Great Red Spot. What do plants absorb from the soil? A. Plastic. B. Water and minerals. C. Rocks. Correct answer, water and minerals. Roots absorb water and minerals. Which animal has a shell for protection? A. Cat. B. Horse. C. Turtle. Correct answer, turtle. Turtles carry a hard shell on their back. Which tool helps you draw a perfect circle? A. Compass. B. Hammer. C. Eraser. Correct answer, compass. A compass is used to draw circles. What is the opposite of night? A. Dark. B. Noon. C. Day. Correct answer, day. Day is the opposite of night. What do you call a group of lions? A. Pod. B. Herd. C. Pride. Correct answer, pride. A pride is a family group of lions. What is the baby of a duck called? A. Duckling. B. Foal. C. Calf. Correct answer, duckling. Baby ducks are called ducklings. Which fruit has a crown on top? A. Pineapple. B. Kiwi. C. Grapes. Correct answer, pineapple. Pineapples have a leafy crown. Which instrument is played by blowing air? A. Guitar, B. Flute, C. Tabla. Correct answer, flute. A flute makes sound when blown into. Which bird is known as the fastest bird? A. Peacock, B. Ostrich, C. Falcon. Correct answer, falcon. The falcon can reach incredible speeds during its hunting dive. Which planet is the coldest in our solar system? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Earth. Correct answer, Neptune. Neptune is extremely cold and far from the sun. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? A. Japan, B. China, C. Brazil. Correct answer, China. The Great Wall is a landmark in China. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? A. 30, B. 21, C. 26. Correct answer, 26. English alphabet contains 26 letters. Which sense organ feels touch? A. Skin, B. Nose, C. Ear. Correct answer, skin. The skin helps us feel texture. If you love quizzes, like, share and subscribe. How many did you get right? Comment below. Keep quizzing with Quiz Hub.